Today's Friday, March 19th. This is the 1967-1968 Cadillac DeVille emergency power lockout switch for the power window. The unit's been completely rebuilt, taken apart, cleaned, the primary connector plate swapped out as the original was burned out. And I'm now doing a functional validation test. This will be going to my friend Mike as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. So the unit is connected to power. The light bulb signifies continuity. And right now I'm powered up to the orange and black wire, and I'm in the lockout mode. So the light bulb is off. As soon as I go to the neutral position, this provides continuity throughout the vehicle, no longer locks out the passenger side or the rear windows, and provides electricity to those locations, and the light bulb comes on accordingly. Okay, now I'll move the alligator clip over to the emergency rocker switch, and this is not a snap in place position but a rocking position. Okay, and as soon as I press it, the light bulb comes on in this recoiled emergency rocker feature. Okay, so this is a 1967-1968 lockout emergency rocker, fully restored switch for my friend Mike Corey. And this will be going out to him as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage 1967 to 1970 Cadillac items in my collection. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, of course these switches, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Friday, March 19th. Thank you very kindly.